Hello students, I hope you are all good and safe. I am Hari Krishnan from Bharadasana Metric High Scientist School, Arakonam. Today we are going to the topic for exponents, 8th standard mathematics. So what do you mean by exponents? Exponents is nothing but the base number how many times repeated by itself. The base number how many times repeated by itself, that is called a exponents. Listen, example 8 power 3. 8 power 3 means 8 multiplied by 3 times. 8 multiplied by 3 times. 8 into 8 into 8. So this 8 is called the base number. This 3 is the exponent. Exponent another name is index or power. Exponent's another name is index or power. Listen. Exponent's another name index or power. So exponents is nothing but how many times repeated by the number itself. How many times the base number repeated by itself. Itself means same number. 8 into 8 into 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 4 into 4 into 4. Any number you take, 12 into 12 into 12. So this type is called the exponent. So 12 power 3 means 12 multiplied by 3 times. So power 3 is called the exponent, 12 is the base number. Okay, next one. Next one, law of exponents. Listen, the first one is product law, product rule or law or rule. So first one is product rule. Product means base is same, A. Power exponents value is different. Same bases but powers are different. So formula in product, a power x into a power y equal to a power x plus y, or a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So this meaning base is same, powers are different. Power means exponents, exponents value different. So a power m plus n in product. So product rule. Second one is division rule or quotient rule. Division rule or quotient rule. Listen, division symbol, a power x divided by a power y. This is equal to a power x minus y. The same way, a power m divided by a power n. A power m divided by a power n. This is equal to a power m minus n. By same way. Next one is power rule. Power rule means base value, power of exponents, power of power. So power of x by y, this is power rule. Listen, a power x is the, a is the base number, x is the exponent, power of power value y. So a power is a multiplication process. A power x into y equal to xy. Listen, first one a power m, this whole power n. Bracket means what? Of. Bracket means product. Bracket means product. So a power m into n equal to a power m n. A power m n. Next one is power of product rule. Listen, a, b, these two numbers are product. A and b equal to a, b means the operation is product. Power of x. So a power x into b power x. This is called power of a product rule. In the same way, a power m, b power m. A power m into b power m. This is equal to ab whole power m. A power m into b power m. This is equal to a into b whole power m or ab whole power m. Next one, fraction rule. Fraction rule, a by b. So a by b is the fraction. Power means x, exponent value x. So a power x divided by b power x. The same way, a by b whole power m is equal to a power m divided by a power n. So a power m divided by a power n. So next one is 0 exponent. 0 means exponent value 0. 0 exponent means exponent value 0. Power of value 0. Any number. A means any number. Any number power 0. This equal to 1 value. This equal to value 1. So listen. 120 whole power 0. This equal to value 1. Any number or any value or any variable power of value 0 means that equal to value 1. That is called 0 exponent. Next one is negative exponent. Why negative exponent means exponent's value minus. Exponent's values are negative. That exponent is called negative exponent. Listen, a power minus m. A power minus m. This is equal to 1 divided by a power m. A power minus m equal to a power 1 equal to 1 divided by a power m. So last one is fractional exponent. Listen carefully. First one 0 exponent. 0 exponent means exponent value 0. That is called 0 exponent. Next one is negative exponent. Negative exponent means exponent value negative. So a power minus x, minus having, so negative. Exponent's value negative means that is called negative exponent. Next one is fractional exponent. Fractional exponent means exponent value fraction. Is then a power x by y. So x by y is the fraction. So this exponent is called fractional exponent. This exponent is called fractional exponent. The next one. So listen, exercise 2.1, question number 2. So first one, 8 power 0 into 2 power 0 plus 6 square into 1 by 6 whole power 4 into 4 by 7 whole power 12 divided by 4 by 7 whole power 10. So listen, first one, 8 power 0 into 2 power 0. Any value power 0, this is equal to value 1. This exponent name is what? Power 0. So this exponent is 0 exponent. This name is 0 exponent. So 8 power 0 equal to value 1 and 2 power 0 equal to value 1. This is equal to 1 into 1 plus next one 6 power 2. So 6 power 2 into 1 by 6 whole power 4. What is the formula? A by b whole power m. A by b whole power m equal to formula. Listen, a by b whole power m is equal to formula a power m divided by b power m. So a by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. So same formula, 1 power 4 divided by 6 power 4. So 1 power 4 divided by 6 power 4 into 4 by 7. So bases are equal, 4 by 7, this is also 4 by 7. Exponent value only variation or difference. So 4 by 7 a power m divided by a power n. A power m divided by a power n. This is equal to formula a power m minus n. A power m minus n. So 4 by 7 whole power 12 minus 10. So what is the formula? A power m divided by b power n. So this is equal to formula a power m minus n. So 1 into 1 equal to 1 only. Plus, listen, 6 power 2 here 6 power 4. So 2 cancel. So remaining how much? 2. So remaining 1 divided by 1 power 4 equal to value 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 we get 1 only. So 1 divided by 6 power 2. 2 cancel remaining 2. So 1 divided by 6 power 2 into, listen, 4 by 7 whole power 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 equal to 2. What is the value for 12 minus 10? Equal to 2 into 4 by 7 whole power 2. 4 by 7 whole power 2. So 1 plus 1 divided by 6 square. 6 square equal to value? 6 square means what? 6 into 6. 6 multiplied by 2 times. 6 power 2 means 6 multiplied by 2 times. This is the next one. 6 power 4 means what? 6 multiplied by 4 times. 6 multiplied by 4 times. By the same way, 6 square. So 6 into 6 equal to value 36 into 4 by 7 whole square. The formula what? A by b whole power m. A by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. Formula a by b whole power m. This is equal to formula a power m divided by b power m. So formula a by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. So same formula 4 power 2 divided by 7 power 2. 4 power 2 divided by 7 power 2. This is equal to 1 plus 1 by 36 into 4 square means 4 4s are 16 divided by 7 square. 7 7s are, what is the value for 7 7s are? 49. Very good. 7 7s are 49. Next one, cancellation. 16 and 36. Both will divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4 9s are 16. Is equal to 1 plus 4 divided by, so 1 into 4 4. 49 into 9. So 49 into 9 equal to value, listen, 49 into 9. This is equal to 9 9s are 81. 8 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 8 equal to 44. So 441. So 441. So next one, this is equal to cross multiplication divided by 1. 1 into 441 equal to 441 plus 1 into 4. 1 into 4 equal to 4 divided by 1 into 441 equal to 441. So this is equal to 445 divided by 441. So 445 divided by 441. Okay, is a cross multiplication rule. 1 into cross, what do you mean? Listen, cross multiplication rule. A by b plus c by d is equal to a into d, a into d, ad. Next one, b into c plus b into c equal to bc divided by b into d equal to bd. This is the cross multiplication formula for addition. Okay. Next one. Next question number 3. Evaluate 729 divided by 64 into 2 by 3 whole power 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole power 4 into minus 1 power 2002. Listen, first one 729 divided by 64. 729 using prime factorization method. Listen, first one using prime factorization method. 729. First one 3 table. This method name is what? Prime factorization method. This method name is prime factorization method. So 729, first one 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 1 12, 3 4s are 12. Next one 3 3s are 9 divided by again 3 table only. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, again 3 table. 3 2s are 6, remaining 2, 21. So 3 7s are 21. Again 3 table only. 3 9s are 27. Next one 3 3s are, the final one is 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So listen, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times multiplied by 3 we get this equal to 729. So 729 equal to 3 power 6. So 729 equal to 3 power 6. 3 power 6 divided by same method 64 using prime factorization method only. 64 in 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 4, 2 2s are 4. Next one 32. 2 1s are 2, remaining 1 12. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 table. 2 8s are 16. Next one 2 4s are. Next one 2 2s are, the final one is 2 1s are 2. So now listen, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times multiplied by 2 we get equal to 64. So 64 equal to 2 power 6. 64 equal to 2 power 6. 2 power 6 into 2 by 3 whole power 3. So 2 power 3 divided by 3 power 3. So what is the formula for A? A by B whole power m. A by B whole power m equal to A power m divided by B power m. So next one formula minus 2 whole power 4. Same formula, minus 2 whole power 4 divided by 3 power 4. 3 power 4 into, now listen, minus 1 whole power 2002. Listen, minus 1 power of value even number means this equal to value plus 1. Even number, this is equal to value 1. Suppose odd number means this is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 2002 we get equal to 1 only. So into 1. Okay. So 3 power 6 divided by 2 power 6 into 2 power 3 divided by minus 3 power 3. Listen, 3 power 6. Here having 3 power 3. 3 times 3 cancel, remaining 3. Again here having 3 power 3 here 3 power 4. So 3 times cancel, remaining 1 time, only 1 time. So power value 1. Next one 2 power 6, here 2 power 3. So 6 3, 3 here 3 cancel, remaining 3 only, 2 power 3. So finally we get minus 2 whole power 4, minus 2 whole power 4 divided by 2 power 3, minus 2 whole power 4 divided by 2 power 3 into 1 divided by 3 power 1. 3 power 1 equal to 3 only. Listen. Next to minus 2 whole power 4. So minus 2 whole power means minus 2 multiplied by 4 times, minus 2 multiplied by 4 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, minus into minus plus, here also minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4. So 4 4s are, which is equal to value 16. So minus 2 whole power 4 equal to 16, minus 2 whole power 4 equal to 16, 16 divided by 2 power 3, 2 multiplied by 3 times. So 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, again into 2, 4 2s are 8. So 2 power 3 equal to value 8 divided by 8 into 1 by 3. So 8 table 8 16 8 cancellation, 8 ones are 8 2s are, this is equal to 2 ones are 2 divided by 1 into 3 3. So 2 by 3. Okay. Next question number 4. What should be multiplied by to get minus 2 whole power 3 divided by 5 power 2? So listen, minus 4 divided by 5 whole power 3 into that multiplied number is y, x, y or anyone, I take y. This is equal to, we get minus 2 whole power 3 divided by 5 power 2. So minus 2 whole power 3 divided by 5 power 2, 5 power 2. Formula a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m equal to formula a power m divided by b power m. So minus 4 whole power 3 divided by 5 power 3 into y equal to minus 2 whole power 3 divided by 5 power 2. Next step, y is equal to minus 2 whole power 3 divided by 5 power 2. This term go that side will be changed in reciprocal. So minus 4 power 3 divided by 5 power 3 changing into 5 power 3 divided by minus 4 whole power 3, minus 4 whole power 3. The next step is, listen, y equal to, listen, 5 power 2, 5 power 3. So 2 times cancel, remaining 1 time. So 1. Y equal to remaining minus 2 whole power 3. Minus 2 whole power 3 means minus 2 multiplied by 3 times. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 times. So minus into minus plus. This plus into minus we get minus only. So put minus. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So minus 8. So next one is minus 4 whole power 3. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, which is equal to minus into minus plus. This plus into minus we get minus. So minus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, 64. Minus 64. Minus 8 divided by minus 64 into 5 power 1 equal to 5 only. This minus minus cancel. In 8th table, 8 ones are 8 8s are. 8 ones are 8 8s are. So y equal to 5 by 8. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 8, 8. I have enclosed by study material and question bank and also self assessment. Thank you.